Hey guys, so Hollywood asked me to derive the law of sines. They said it's kind of magic, and I fully agree. The law of sines says given any triangle, the sine of this angle divided by the length of the opposite side is equal to the sine of this angle divided by the length of the opposite side, which is equal to the sine of this angle divided by the length of the opposite side. This is a foundational property, and it's quite elegantly derived. So let's talk about the sine of A. From B, let's drop a perpendicular line down and call it x. Now we have a right triangle. Sine of an angle is defined as the opposite over hypotenuse when you have that angle in a right triangle. So our opposite here is x and our hypotenuse is c. So we can say sine of A equals x over c. We can also look at the angle c over here, and sine of c would also be opposite over hypotenuse. The opposite is x, but the hypotenuse for this right triangle is a. So we'd say the sine of c is equal to x over a. Now from here, if we multiplied both sides of this equation by c, these c's would cancel, giving us an x all by itself, and this side would be c times sine a. So we can say x is equal to c times sine a. And same thing down here, if we multiplied both sides by a, these a's would cancel, which would then tell us that x is equal to a sine c. Now we know that x is equal to x, so for this x on the left, let's plug in c sine a, and for this x on the right, let's plug in a sine c. Now if we divide both sides by ac, on the left-hand side, these two c's would cancel, which would give us sine a over a. And on the right-hand side, these two a's would cancel, giving us sine c over c. And now we're done. We have sine of a divided by a is equal to sine c over c. And that's these two over here. And to show it for sine b, all we'd have to do is just drop another perpendicular and just do the same thing again. That's how to derive law of sines. I like your guys' ideas. Comment on what you'd like me to work on next. You're all awesome, and I will talk to you soon.